We're talking money, 50,000, 60,000, 75,000, 100,000, 100 over 100,000. What states have the top potential for you to make bank as a notary or loan signing agent? What states? Is it California? Is it Florida? Is it Arizona? I'm going to go over the top 10 list, and hopefully you're in one of these states. And if you're not, just keep in mind you can make the same bank in your state as what you create for yourself. All right. Welcome to the Notary Success Channel. I'm Mr. Rogers, and I want to make sure you know how to make bank and pass that test on the first try. And in this episode, we're going to learn where people are making the most or have the most potential to make money, the top 10. So let's go from 10 to 1, starting at number 10. All right, top earner with a potential of all over 60,000 per year, especially in the metro area. We got Georgia. So especially in Atlanta, Georgia, you're going to go around 60 grand. All right. I don't know if that's good enough for you in Atlanta, but it's full time and could be a side hustle, whatever you want. Number 9, making bank as a notary loan signing agent. We got Arizona that came in. I told my other video I have a friend who's working in Phoenix, Arizona, making bank, single mother, 2 children. She says she's so happy making bank as a notary and loan signing agent. Now, coming in at number 8, Virginia. It says here, Virginia, you're going to make up to, and same as Arizona, around up to 65,000. So that's not the max, but that's the earning potential, especially in the Northern Virginia area like DC. It says here the hot has high demand for notaries, leading into strong income potential. Coming at number 7, Nevada. Nevada's high volume of real estate transaction. That's true. You need signatures on those real estate transactions. And guess who gets paid every signature? You. High real estate transaction, especially in Vegas, provides excellent earnings. Okay. Number 6, coming in Washington, the state of Washington, around 70,000 a year. Robust real estate market, especially around Seattle, where notaries can make great income. All right, number coming at number 5, we got Illinois, top earnings in Illinois. Making bank in Illinois, you'll be around 75,000 per year if you do it right. And if you have it set up as your own business, you're going to have a ton of write-offs too, right? They said, especially in areas like Chicago, high demand for notary and loan signing agent services. Oh, by the way, I tell you in every video, only a few of you have done it, but the more who do it, the more excited I get. There's a link, click, buy me a cup of coffee. That's me. You be donating to me and my family for making all of these films. So holler at your boy. Let's keep, just man, I give to you, you give to me. But let's keep it going. Number 4, top earner. We already said Illinois. Number 4 is Texas, the big state of Texas. I could tell. Texas is growing, rapid growing real estate market. Need those signatures. So basically, numerous opportunities for notaries. Coming in at number 3, we know this place has a lot of transaction. Oh, did I say Texas? Around 80,000. I'm sorry. 80,000 is the bank they can make in Texas. Florida looking at around beating Texas at around 85,000 per year for top performers. Booming real estate market, population, lots of weddings, lots of real estate, lots of things need to be notarized, right? Okay. New York, climbing the ladder. Imagine you doing whatever job you do in New York because everybody has a side hustle. And then you're also doing these signatures in New York. Top earnings around 90K per year. That could be you. Very lucrative in New York. And number one, home of the perfect beaches, perfect weather, and unfortunately, gang of fires, California. It says here, California is one of the highest paying states for notaries due to its high demand in real estate transactions, loan signings, and mobile notary services. All right. So you're making bank. Let me go over this to summarize. Where are you on this list? Leave a comment if you're in one of these states. And if you want me to do a pop quiz for you for your state, you better speak up now or forever hold your peace. All right. I just snuck that in at the end. Top earners. Coming at number one was 100,000 over for California. Number two was 90,000 for New York. Number three was Florida with 85,000. Number four was Texas with 80,000. Coming in at 75,000 was Illinois. Coming in after Illinois was Washington with around 70,000. Next was Nevada with 65,000 and Virginia with 65,000. Next was Arizona at 60K. And then we had Georgia at 60K. Now, these numbers are estimates. You might make less depending on your hustle. You might make more depending on your contacts, right? And your hustle. All right. This is Sean. I know you're going to be successful. I believe in you. Look forward to talking to you in the comments. Peace.